Businesses must prioritize good customer relationships in today's highly competitive retail landscape. Understanding customer preferences and purchasing history, as well as providing personalized experiences, are critical for building loyalty and driving repeat sales. Recognizing the importance of client management, Shopify POS provides a complete collection of capabilities that enable retailers to manage and communicate with their customer base successfully. In this video, we will look at the significance and benefits of customer management in Shopify POS, as well as how it enables shops to build great experiences that keep consumers coming back. Complete customer profiles. The ability to construct detailed customer profiles is a fundamental benefit of customer management with Shopify POS. Retailers can collect and preserve pertinent customer information such as contact information, purchase history, and preferences. These profiles act as a consolidated data hub for retailers, allowing them to obtain comprehensive insights into their customers' actions and interests. Retailers may personalize interactions and tailor their offerings to individual interests by having a 360-degree view of each customer. They are capable of anticipating customer wants, recommending appropriate products, and providing a more personalized shopping experience. This level of personalization boosts consumer engagement, builds loyalty, and increases customer happiness. Purchase history and order administration. The customer management tools of Shopify POS give sellers a full view of each customer's purchase history and order details. Previous purchases, order dates, and transaction values are all easily accessible to retailers. This allows retailers to deliver individualized recommendations, cross-sell or upsell comparable products, and provide outstanding customer service. Order tracking and management within the customer management system improves operational efficiency. Retailers can see the status of each order, track delivery, and better handle customer inquiries or returns. This simplifies order administration and offers a consistent customer experience from purchase to delivery. Marketing and personalized offers. Retailers can benefit from personalized offers and targeted marketing efforts thanks to customer management in Shopify POS. Retailers can build and provide tailored promotions, discounts, or loyalty benefits to individual customers by exploiting the customer data housed within the system. Customers respond to personalized offers on a deeper level because they feel cherished and understood by the company. Retailers may boost the likelihood of conversion and recurring business by personalizing promotions to consumer-specific tastes and purchasing history. Targeted marketing initiatives based on customer categories or behavioral data can also increase engagement, boost brand loyalty, and optimize marketing budget. Customer insights and CRM integration. The customer management capabilities of Shopify POS interface seamlessly with customer relationship management products, allowing shops to use sophisticated insights and analytics. Retailers may consolidate client data from numerous touchpoints, such as online and offline sales channels, email marketing campaigns, and customer care contacts, by integrating with popular CRM systems. This integration provides businesses with a comprehensive perspective of customer behavior and preferences, allowing them to develop more effective marketing tactics and personalized experiences. Retailers may maximize their sales and marketing efforts by analyzing customer data, identifying trends, and making data-driven decisions. Insights collected from CRM integration can also be used to inform product development, inventory management, and customer service strategies. Retailers may discover new trends, identify customer pain spots, and anticipate customer demands. This proactive approach assists firms in staying ahead of the competition and developing a loyal customer base.